Okay, oh, and how old are you turning tomorrow?
4.
4. What's your favorite color?
White and green.
What's your favorite animal?
Horse.
A what?
Horse.
Oh, what's your favorite food?
Corn.
Corn?
Yeah.
Still your favorite food?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song?
Yankee Doodle went to town.
Can you sing it?
Yankee Doodle went to town, was riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his head and called it macaroni.
Awesome. Okay, what's your favorite movie?
I don't really have a favorite movie.
What's your favorite show?
I don't know if those either.
Okay. What is your favorite thing to do outside?
Play for frisbee.
Play with a frisbee? Whoa. Who are some of your favorite friends?
Tinley.
And who else?
So? Liam.
Who else?
No one else.
What's your favorite book?
I don't really have one.
What's your favorite thing to do with Dad?
Rafting and camping.
Ooh. What's your favorite thing to do with Mom?
Play High Ho Cheerio.
What's your favorite thing to do with Sam?
Play.
Play. Why are you excited to be 4?
But I think I get presents.
What do you hope you get for your birthday?
Swords.
Swords? Okay, I love you, Owen. Happy birthday.
I did.
Woo! Yeah, Owen! Wow, Owen! Awesome! Wow, Owen! Awesome!
And put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on